Did you know cats can make over 100 different sounds? In the next few seconds, you'll learn some truly amazing facts about our feline friends. Let's dive in! Cats have 5 toes on their front paws, but only 4 on their back paws. They can rotate their ears 180 degrees to hear better. Ever wondered why your cat needs blankets? It's a sign of contentment from kittenhood. A cat's purr has healing properties for bones and tissues. A group of cats is called a clouder, and they can sleep up to 16 hours a day. Their whiskers help them navigate in the dark by sensing changes in the environment. Cats have a third eyelid to protect their eyes. Hit the like button if you found this useful. Subscribe for more fascinating facts.